No, it's all good.
I hear it too.
I'm happy with it.
Good.
Okay, yeah, I think I finished it. Hi, my name is Jason Nomburg. I'm a postdoctoral fellow in Jennifer Doudna's lab. I did my undergraduate at UC Santa Barbara, and as an undergrad, I did work on measles virus with Zach Ma, and I really got interested in virology, so I then went on to do a PhD in virology at Harvard, where I ended up joining the labs of Jim DiCaprio and Matthew Meyerson. And there I was able to do a lot of really fun virology research and other types of research. So looking at cancer microbiome and stuff like that, and then eventually moving on into studying viral transcriptomics. So we were able to study SARS-CoV-2 and polyomaviruses from the RNA perspective. When I was finishing up my PhD, I was really, there was these new tools to predict the three-dimensional structures of proteins. And I was really interested in using those tools to study viruses. So naturally, I wanted to join Jennifer Doudna's lab because she's just such an excellent biochemist and structural biologist. And I found just a quick home here at the Gladstone because Jennifer has a lab here, and there's just really excellent virologists in the Gladstone Institute of Virology. So it's just been a great environment to do this type of research. The main emphasis of my research right now has been to use protein structure prediction to understand the function of viral proteins. And this is a really important question because viruses evolve so fast, and this makes it hard for us to understand what the function of some of these proteins are sometimes. But we can actually use the predicted structures of these proteins to help learn a little bit about what their functions could be. And I've used that both to understand these viral protein functions, but also to understand the relationship between viruses. And this has really led to fun understandings about some of these common strategies that viruses across the tree of life use to evade cellular immunity. My emphasis here really is to understand the basic principles of how viruses are subverting immunity. And a lot of this is driven by these viral immune antagonists. And the goal of my work has been to identify these immune antagonists so that in the future, we can start developing countermeasures for those antagonists, which will be critically important for helping address these emerging viral diseases. Gladstone has been a really amazing collaborative place that's really brought together a lot of researchers on different areas of virology and even outside of virology. So it's really been amazing to see the really diverse research at the Gladstone, and it's just highly collaborative and just an excellent place to work. When I'm not working, I read a lot, so lots of sci-fi, fantasy. I like spending lots of time in Golden Gate Park when it's sunny out, hanging out with friends. I play tennis. So lots of fun stuff like that.